As the digital, physical, and biological worlds continue fusing together against the backdrop of innovation in artificial intelligence, the world is experiencing the fourth industrial revolution. Advanced wireless technologies, autonomous vehicles, 3D printing, commercial drones, and fintech all serve to open new areas for creativity, innovation, efficiency, and economic growth. In fact, some experts estimate that up to 80% of existing jobs will be automated by the fourth industrial revolution. The impact of this transition will reach all countries in the world, bringing opportunities as well as major challenges that could threaten to unleash political, social, and economic instability. The coronavirus pandemic, however, is hotwiring the fourth industrial revolution. The COVID-19 crisis will highlight how countries which began embracing next-generation technologies are set to adapt more easily to ongoing changes, as this disease represents a major paradigm shift. The wealthy countries of the Arabian Peninsula, such as the United Arab Emirates, began preparing for the fourth industrial revolution years ago. As the pandemic rushes the world into the future of digitization at a faster rate, these Gulf states are in comparatively strong position to make this transition smoothly for all the fears of a future where many jobs will cease to exist. These Middle Eastern countries have recognized that automation will create new markets and products, while also boosting workers' productivity. They understand that all countries in the world must embrace automation, as technology dictates new business models and pathways for government and private businesses to operate innovation hubs. These futuristic cities in the Gulf will help the region achieve AI breakthroughs that will enable countries such as the UAE, Qatar, and Saudi Arabia to play a lead role globally, and that's why we must learn from them. Doesn't matter where you live, you must prepare for the fourth industrial revolution. That's why we prepared for you the Freemium to Freedom Challenge. Get ready for an experience which will prepare you to thrive in the years to come.